Introducing Immersive Elements, a Shopware app that lets you add beautifully crafted elements to your e-commerce store. You can now tell captivating stories using 3D models, galleries, and videos without the need for hiring developers or agencies. With Immersive Elements, it's as easy as finding the element that you want and drag it into your shopping experience. Use the 3D model journey to create interactive tours with hotspots, VR Cinema to present your videos in panorama, or a depth gallery to provide a literal deep dive into your products. When you're done customizing and hit save, you have a modern, professional-looking website that works on mobile, desktop, and get this, VR. Find Immersive Elements on the Shopware store and start offering engaging, immersive experiences to your customers today.